guys, into this video we're going to be setting up these guys right here, so let's just get started. So first of all, in order to attach this, which I already did, all you have to do is just put it in this way. So yeah, and to detach, you just pull it out. So it's that easy. They made it that easy for you. There's nothing special or fancy about this. You can just take these out and put them in. So that's the easiest way to attach or detach these guys. So if you need a replacement, that's what you need to do. So next up would be how to charge these guys. So in order to charge these, you're gonna use this and you're gonna plug it into your wall. So we plug that in, and this right here will go this way. And see how that fit right there? You should not charge it this way. It's just not gonna fit in. So always put it in this way. So that makes it really easy. And before you set this up, I usually recommend to charge it, but they do come with some batteries, so you could set it up without charging it usually. Now these guys right here have Bluetooth. So if you're gonna pair this with your phone or tablet, which you can with both, just make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on, and you do need Wi-Fi for the app. So we're gonna download that first. So in this case, I'm just gonna show you in this iPad just because the screen's bigger. So let's just go and press on get. You would do the exact same thing if it was on your phone. It's the exact same app. And we're just gonna open it up in just a second once it downloads. It's a really small app, it's not gonna take that much space. And do you need this to brush your teeth? No, you can just go ahead and brush your teeth. But if you guys want to check out the app and see how it works, here you go. So right now it says, would you like to use Bluetooth? Yes, you do. So let's just press OK. And this will tell you how to set it up. It's really easy. So let's just get started. Let's just press on start, and then it's gonna tell you what to press. So once you have it plugged in, you should see that popping up. So that just means it's charging. Just leave it flat there and don't move it around. You should see that light popping up, which means it's charging. Once again, that means it's charging. You're good to go. Let it charge, and then we're going to continue on with the setup. All right, so what you want to do is turn this on. But although the instructions tell you to power on your toothbrush, it's going to search for that. Press the button right there. What you guys need to do is actually press this button down here below until you see this popping up here. So you can go ahead and confirm. So you're gonna confirm, then you're gonna go on, and let me show you the app a little bit. Now this is what's flashing here on my toothbrush. I'm gonna show you my iPad. So right now you can go into tell me more, so you can see a little bit more about this, or just skip for now. I'm gonna skip for now. All right, so at this point we're just gonna check here. We're gonna confirm, check here, and we're gonna just continue on. Now, I'm assuming you guys don't have a login. You guys can go back. If you do have a login, go ahead and just log in. But if you're brand new, you're just gonna fill this out. As you're creating your account, the next step would be to create a password. So that's my password. I'm gonna go in for the email marketing stuff. You guys don't have to put a check mark there. Go into done, register. Then you just need to verify your account. So you just go to your email. You're gonna see a code. Just put it in there. So just wanted to show you guys how the email looks like, and this is the code for me. Your code would be different. Once you put that in, just press on next. And here we go. If you didn't get the code, you could resend it, by the way. So you're all set right now. We're just gonna go into Let's Brush. And here we go. You're all connected. You can go on and brush. Just press brush now and get started. There's history, there's other stuff in here that you can mess around with, but you're basically done with the setup. That's all you guys have to do. At this point, right now, your toothbrush is ready, and there's nothing else that you need to do. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.